Let's be honest. Are you tired of juggling 10 different AI tools? ChatGPT for writing, Midjourney for images, Canva for designs, 11 Labs for voiceovers, Runway ML for videos, and still not getting the results you want? Instead of saving time and money, AI is eating it up with hefty monthly fees, endless prompting, hours of rework, and outputs that barely convert into leads or sales. Here's the reality most creators, marketers, and entrepreneurs face. You're paying $500 to $1,000 every month just to keep your tool stack alive. You're stuck in endless prompting cycles, trying again and again until something looks half decent. You're burning hours feeding AI tools with endless data, only to get generic outputs that don't stand out. And worst of all, nothing works together. Scripts from one tool don't fit into your videos, designs don't match your branding, and your copy feels robotic. And after all this effort, what do you get? Content that fails to generate leads or sales. AI was supposed to simplify business, but for most, it's only created more complexity, burnout, and disappointment. And don't just take my word for it. Here's what real users are saying online. This isn't just a minor frustration, it's costing you. Profits lost on poor conversions, time wasted on endless fixes, motivation crushed by generic outputs. And while you're stuck struggling with prompts, your competitors are moving ahead, capturing leads, sales, and growth. What if there was a smarter way? What if instead of juggling 10 different apps, you had one AI platform that learned your business, trained itself on your data, and gave you everything you need? In just seconds, meet Clever AI Studio, the world's only all-in-one business growth AI platform that replaces ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, 11 Labs, Runway ML, and 300+ other tools. With a single dashboard, Clever AI Studio learns your brand from your website or uploaded data, yes, even a competitor's site, then deploys 300+ AI tools to create exactly what you need. In seconds. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Create your AI agent by adding your website, URL, or business data. Clever AI Studio instantly scans your content and trains your personal AI to understand your product, audience, and brand voice. Step 2. Pick from 300+ AI tools. Blog writers, ad generators, video makers, voiceovers, graphics, automation flows, and more. Step 3. Boom! Get instant, personalized, business-ready outputs that are 10 times faster, smarter, and more accurate than any generic AI tool. Inside Clever AI Studio, you're unlocking a complete business toolkit. Video Studio. Create HD videos, shorts, reels, and even animate images. VoiceOver Studio. Clone voices, add emotions, and create studio-quality narrations. Design Studio. Design logos, ads, graphics, branding materials, even 4K AI art in 50+ niches. Copy Studio. Write blogs, sales pages, ads, emails, product descriptions, all high-converting and SEO optimized. Automation and chatbots. Capture leads, close sales, and deliver 24/7 support with AI-driven agents. Interior design toolkit. Redesign rooms, stage real estate, and plan makeovers in seconds, and so much more. Clever AI Studio gives you 300+ AI tools, all working together under one roof. Basically, Clever AI Studio gives you everything you need to start, run, and grow your business in one place. Don't just take my word for it. Thousands of creators, freelancers, and business owners are already switching to Clever AI Studio. From coaches generating leads, to freelancers scaling services, to agencies running client campaigns, Clever AI Studio is fueling growth everywhere. Here's what takes Clever AI Studio from great tool to business machine: the exclusive commercial license. That means you can sell everything you create: videos, voiceovers, graphics, blogs, sales copy, chatbots, and keep 100% of the profits. No revenue sharing. No API costs, no hidden fees, no upsells to unlock rights. Offer DFY content and creative services. Launch a micro agency or add automation retainers. Clever AI Studio turns your skills into sellable products overnight. Wait, here is the juicy part. Unlock exclusive Clever AI Studio, launch only. Rewards worth $7,447 for free. We want to make sure that when you grab Clever AI Studio today, you're not just getting access to the world's most powerful all-in-one AI platform. You're also walking away with everything you need to start profiting immediately. That's why we're including these exclusive launch bonuses for free. Here's the kicker. While other AI tools will cost you over $300 to $500 per month for accessing all of these tools, Clever AI Studio gives you everything inside one dashboard for a tiny one-time fee. That's right, here's your total cost with multiple AI tools, $300 to $500 per month. It means $3,600 to $6,000 plus per year, while your cost with Clever AI Studio will be $0 per month. It means one time for lifetime access. That's an instant savings of $3,583 plus every single year. No monthly fees, no API costs, no hidden charges. Pay once and unlock unlimited access forever. But this special launch deal won't last. Once the timer hits 0, prices go up, and you'll never see this again. So here are your two choices. Keep wasting money and time juggling outdated AI tools. Or switch to Clever AI Studio today, the only AI platform you'll ever need to start, run, and grow your business. If you are still not sure if Clever AI Studio will work for you or not, don't worry. Your investment is 100% risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try Clever AI Studio for a full 30 days, completely risk-free. If at any point you feel like Clever AI Studio didn't deliver, if you think it wasn't worth every penny, or if it simply isn't for you, just drop us a quick message. We'll refund 100% of your money instantly. No questions asked. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss your only chance to grab Clever AI Studio, the world's first all-in-one business growth AI platform, preloaded with 300+ premium AI tools suitable for every task, from copywriting to content writing, videos to voiceovers, design to arts, chatbots to automation, SEO to PPC, and more. With Clever AI Studio, you get 300+ AI tools that train on your data and instantly deliver business-ready results exclusively tailored for your business goals. Finally, you've got an all-in-one AI tools platform that replaces every AI tool you're currently paying for. Don't miss this launch offer for anything. Click the button, grab your Clever AI Studio lifetime access,